Baka, you can do this. You can do it. Hey, Bakakwe, can I have a word? Hey there, dog. Baka. My name's Anamush. That's right. I know Anamush. Well, listen, I talked to Nanabuju, and well, you'll be happy to hear he said he thought it'd be just fine if you wanted to give it a go as an announcer for the show. Baka! Oh, that's great. That's great. Listen, can I say something though? Man to man. Baka! You're a dog. I'm a chicken. Yeah, right. I know, sir. Um, is there any way I could get you to calm it down a bit? Baka! What do you mean? Well, for one thing, you don't have to say baka before every sentence, do you? But no, I guess not. There, that's more like it. All right. Tell you what, let's do a trial run. Let's see how you do. I'm gonna just you and me in the studio now. Um, all right. Can you give me a check 1 2, check 1 2? Baka! Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right. Turn that down. Okay, and just try to remember, you don't say baka. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, whenever you're ready. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bojo Not a Bojo, the Baka, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Baka. Please welcome Not a Bojo. Welcome to Nanabuju, the podcast about Ojibwe language, culture, and something else. Niman Wenda Moma Noongum, we are so happy to see you today. La 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 Anam. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Yeah, okay. All right. I'll be honest with you. I was prepared not to like it, but I don't mind telling you that was real good. That was real good, Bakakwe. Thank you. Hey, bonjour. Bonjour, Nij, Anishinaabe Dog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabes, and welcome back to Buju Nana Buju, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, we have a really beautiful expression in Ojibwe language. Nagamunda. Nagamunda. Let's sing. Nagamun. Sing. And then when you add da, Nagamunda. You can add da to anything. Maja da. Let's go. All right. Beijing. Nij. Beijing, Nij, Niswe, Niwen.
did we promise too long ago and so far away? Something I did, but there are some things best kept hidden. When it all goes crashing down, now it all comes crashing down. It just all came crashing down. Now it all comes crashing down. And it feels like we've been here before, but I don't know why. I don't know what for. So here we are, joined for years, but worlds apart. And the kids are grown and gone. So why does this feel? Why does it feel so wrong? And it seems like we've come to an end. Will you still be my only friend? Oh, it feels like we've come to an end. Will you please be my only friend? When it all comes crashing down, now it all comes crashing down. It just all came crashing down. Now it all comes crashing down. And it feels like we've been here before, and I don't know why. I don't know what for. Oh, it seems like we've come to an end. Now will you still be my only friend? When it all comes crashing down, now it all comes crashing down. It just all came crashing down. Now it all comes crashing down. Oh, it all came crashing down. It just all comes crashing down. It just all came crashing down. Now it all comes crashing down. And it feels like we've been here before, but I don't know why, and I don't know what for. Oh, it seems like we've come to an end.